How's everyone doing? I'm going to be on here talking about deducting home office expenses. That's what I'm going to be talking about tonight. Deducting the home office expense. Am I able to put that in the chat? I'm still learning these lives. Good evening. I'm on 2 devices, TikTok and Instagram. Hi. Hello, everyone. I'm live on TikTok, live on Instagram. Y'all just got to let me know if y'all can hear me. I'm always trying to make sure y'all can hear me. Okay, so somebody type in the chat and let me know if y'all can hear me. Somebody on Instagram, let me know if y'all can hear me. Same thing on TikTok. Can y'all hear me? Okay. So for those of you who are just joining, I'm going to be talking about deducting the home office expense. Okay, deducting home office expenses. Whether you rent or own your home, I'm going to be going into all of that. Okay? Hello, good evening. Hi, everyone. I just wanted to give a few more minutes. TikTok is being notified. Instagram is being notified. I'm going to be talking about deducting the home office expense. I still need to learn how to put my topics on here so people can know what I'm talking about, what I'm going to get on here and talk about. Okay? Okay. Hello. So maybe somebody can let me know if y'all can hear me. Let me know. And add in the chat. Let me know, a few of you, where you're from. Also, let me know if you rent or if you own your home. Thank you, loud and clear. Thank you so much. Okay. Let me know if you rent or let me know if you own your home. Let me know if this is something you even knew you could do or couldn't do as a small business owner. You know, a lot of people who are working from home, but they don't have a business. Unfortunately, with so many people working from home with the pandemic, and you can't even like write off anything with your home. Okay? If you are a W-2 employee working for someone else, you don't even get to write off anything. It's unfortunate. So, but I'll tell you a little secret. What you can try to do, sometimes you can negotiate with your employer, and you can maybe kind of ask them if they're interested. Well, not interested, but I don't know if that's a good choice of words. But if they, it's all in wordplay, maybe they can reimburse you for your home office expenses. I mean, they get to write it off, since you're going to be working from home anyway. You may kind of want to ask them if they're interested in, reimbursing you for some home office expenses. So that's a little loophole there. Some people are actually calling it this like corporate workspace, right? Corporate workspace. And working from home, your employer is reimbursing you. Okay, you can ask them. It's worth it. Worth a try. But if you're a small business owner, even if you're part-time or full-time in your business, there's a potential that you could be eligible for home office expenses. And everything I get on here and talk about is for educational purposes only. You should definitely be consulting with your legal person or your accountant. If you're my client, then we already talk about these things, so there's no need to worry there. Okay, so what I want to say about writing off the home office expense. People sometimes get that term office. They get thrown off because you hear home office expense. So they think, oh, wait a minute, do I have to have an actual office in my home, or do I have to be seeing customers and clients and things like that? when that's just not the case. Right? Being eligible to claim the home office expense, you can actually just have an area in your home that's just for exclusive use for your business, right? Your full-time or part-time business, okay? And when I say business, I mean you can even be a property owner, an Airbnb owner, property owner, and you're using your home office space to handle like administrative tasks, okay? You're at your home office doing things like communicating with clients, customers, and things like that. You are also checking emails, right? Just basically handling the business side. Maybe you're doing some of your own accounting, some of your bookkeeping. These are things that you're doing in your home office space or your home space. Again, that whole term home office, you might be getting thrown off, like thinking you have to have an actual office in your home, and that's just not the case. As long as it's exclusively used for your business, you can potentially write off, and I mean a lot of things, okay? Think of what you pay, whether you're a renter. That's why I say whether you're a renter or homeowner. Now, here's the thing. If you own a home, I tell everyone, and why this topic even came up, I just got back into town this evening. I was away on my traveling for business, okay? And so one of the conversations I was having, I did a little bit of personal and business down there. So one of the conversations I was having with a friend was about this whole topic of claiming home office expenses, okay? Now, you don't have to, you can be a renter or you can be a homeowner, all right? And let's go with the renter first, okay? So if you're a renter, okay, you can deduct a percentage of your rent. You can deduct a percentage of your utilities. Some people have renter's insurance. You can deduct a percentage of that. If you purchase certain things for your home office, there's going to be tax deductions there. If you have any things done to your home office, like maybe you're having someone paint or you're having some repairs done, okay, you can deduct things for that. All right. Now let's take a homeowner. Okay, I tell everyone who owns a home, if you own a home and you don't have a business, you're really just, it's like you're just throwing money away. Okay, I say that because now with all the tax law changes, a lot of people don't even get the opportunity to use the long form Schedule A anymore, okay? A lot of people have to take the standard deduction, so you're no longer eligible to like write off your property taxes, your mortgage interest, and things like that. So if you own a home and you don't have a business, you're really losing out, okay? So for those who do own a home and do have their part-time or full-time business, okay, now we're talking about you can deduct a percentage of your mortgage interest, a percentage of your property tax, a percentage of your utilities, okay, a potentially lawn upkeep, because if you are having guests come in or whatever, you want to maintain your home, okay, home internet expenses, and that was also for renters too, internet expenses, and for the homeowners, again, any type of repairs and things like that. So now when you're doing calculations, okay, usually the best thing to do, you have to take like the total square feet, and then you calculate how much is being used for exclusive use for your business, approximate square footage on that, and that's where you'll be able to get your percentages from. Now, you also have an option to use what's called like the flat rate. I may be using the wrong term, but it kind of reminds you of like when you're claiming auto deductions, where you either got to take the actual cost or you take the mileage. So it's kind of like that same thing when it comes to the home. IRS is allowing like a flat situation. I believe it's like $5 per square foot that they just let you write off. That's why I was saying do the total square feet and then do the approximate square feet for your exclusive use for your business. And you can just do the flat tax situation where it's like $5 per square foot. Or you can do the actual expenses where everything you're paying for all the stuff that I mentioned, okay? And there's still percentages there as well, all right? You can even, now if you're a homeowner, you can even claim depreciation, on that as well. Okay, if you have a part-time or full-time business from home, you can also claim depreciation. Now, there's some situations there with depreciation, because if years down the line or whatever, when you go to sell, you actually have to add back in the part that you depreciated all those years, and you may owe some tax on that depreciation. But there's a lot of layers there. Like, I don't want to go too far into that, because again, it depends on what your unique situation is, and you should definitely be speaking with your accountant about all of that, okay? But I just wanted to let you know you can also write off depreciation when you have a home office situation. And let's see what else. When it has to be exclusive use. Now, the one category that doesn't have to have exclusive use are childcare providers. Okay, childcare providers, you have to be licensed. You have to be like a licensed childcare provider to do in-home childcare. And then obviously, because the children are used in multiple areas in the home, that kind of exclusive use for other business owners doesn't really apply to you, because when it comes to childcare, obviously it's like a mixed use situation going on. Okay, so that rule doesn't apply to you. But again, speak with your accountant. Okay, let me think of some other things for the home office expense. I think I covered most of the things that I wanted to say. The regular and exclusive use. I gave you a list of a couple of things that you can claim. Okay. Oh, I did want to mention now how you even qualify for this, or if you get to see some calculations for it, is this. If you're at a net profit, okay, if you're at a net profit, then you'll be able to claim some expenses on the home office expense. But if you're at a net loss, you're not going to see any deduction on that, okay? So it really only works if you wind up with a net profit, not a net loss, okay? So I wanted to mention that, and let's see what else. I think that was pretty much it, okay? So hopefully that helps somebody tonight. You can contact me for consultations, one-on-one consultations. You can also contact me about getting in my high-level business coaching program, where we definitely don't cover just taxes. It's a whole situation going on with helping you build your business. And it's great for inexperienced entrepreneurs who really need more guidance and support to market to the right, market to their correct customer, their target customer, systemizing, organizing their business if you're like off track and you want to get things on track. So it's a really high level coaching program. You can contact me for that. But yes, you can also book me for Q&A, one-on-one Q&A, so you can like get all your questions answered for your business. Hi, Utopia CMOS. Okay, so that's what I wanted to let you guys know. Did any of you have any questions about writing off that home office deduction? Okay, let's see anything. Okay, yeah, and again, it doesn't have to be an office. It can be exclusive use. It can be a part of your, like I'm here, my office is in my bedroom, but my corner, I'm not going to show you right now, but my corner, well, some of you can see over here, depending on the angle that the camera's on. But my corner, I have a whole situation over here with my printers, my computer, my credenza and everything that holds all my stuff. So that area there is exclusive use for my business, okay? So that's how I'm eligible to claim my home office expense. But obviously it's not an office per se because it's in my bedroom. So a lot of people get certain things confused with all of that, okay? But that area is definitely exclusively for my business, okay? But it can be another part of of where you live, all right? Also, if you have, and when I say live, you know, some people, let's say you're a boat owner, okay? You're a boat owner, you live on your boat, and you have a part-time or full-time business. That part of where you live on your boat can also be written off. It can be a condo. It can be a co-op. So again, it doesn't have to be like a particular type of dwelling. It's just based on your primary place of where you live. that you're running your home office situation. Okay? So I wanted to be clear on all of that. All right? So I do thank you all for watching, and I didn't want to keep you too long. I just wanted to let you all know about that. All right, and one thing I'm going to have coming up soon to let you know, I'm going to plan a day to go live, and I'm actually going to record it because I'm going to convert it to a class, but it's going to be managing your money as an entrepreneur, and I'm going to be going over lots of stuff. So I will put that announcement for that date, but it's not going to be a lot. It's not going to be a replay. I'm going to record it live. Won't be replayed, and I'm actually going to turn it into a course. But if you come in on the live, you'll be able to attend for free. So I'll put that out there soon. Okay, money management for small business owners and entrepreneurs. All right, because I've been getting a lot of requests for that lately. Okay, so I do thank you all for watching, and see you in the next video. Make sure you go to my YouTube and subscribe. I'm always putting a lot of great content on there. And Instagram, if you're not following me on TikTok or on my other stuff, Facebook, LinkedIn, you can follow me there. Same thing with TikTok. Follow me on Instagram. All of you go subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay? Thank you all for watching. See you in the next video. Now I'm going to end each of you one at a time. Okay?